Welcome to our guide on optimizing your Chromebook for gaming in 2025. Today, we'll explore how you can elevate your gaming experience on this versatile platform. Before diving deeper, it's important to understand the limitations and capabilities of Chromebooks. Unlike traditional gaming laptops, Chromebooks have unique hardware and software profiles. Choosing the right Chromebook is essential. Look for models with high RAM, solid-state drives, and dedicated graphics capabilities to enhance your gaming experience. Next, let's optimize your Chrome OS settings. Disabling unnecessary background apps and enabling performance mode can significantly improve your gaming efficiency. Did you know you can use Linux apps on your Chromebook? This opens up a wider array of games and tools that can enhance your gaming experience. Many games allow you to adjust graphics settings. Lowering these settings can greatly improve performance, especially on Chromebooks. Cloud gaming services are a game changer. Installing options like GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming can provide access to high-quality games without heavy local hardware requirements. Don't forget about external devices. Using game controllers, mice, or keyboards can dramatically improve your gaming setup on a Chromebook. Managing system resources efficiently is crucial. Make sure to close any unneeded applications while gaming to ensure you have all the power dedicated to your game. In conclusion, optimizing your Chromebook for gaming is entirely possible with the right approach. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll enjoy a fantastic gaming experience.